Hello friends, welcome back to Automobile Zone. Today we talk about 2023 Toyota BZ, Beyond Zero, compact SUV. Toyota released its first mass-market electric vehicle, EV, model, the 2023 BZ4X, earlier this year, but it quickly went about teasing dozens of other new all-electric models coming soon. At the 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show, the automaker revealed the BZ, Beyond Zero, compact SUV concept, which it says shows how it will approach the complete shift to EVs and beyond. This is just a concept, so any production model based on it could differ significantly in appearance. That said, Toyota developed the BZ from the ground up as an EV and notes that it will be a fun-to-drive vehicle with exhilarating performance. The exterior took shape in the wind tunnel, and Toyota says it pushed the SUV's wheels far to the corners for an aggressive look. The BZ compact SUV was first teased at Toyota's EV strategy briefing in December 2021. When the Japanese carmaker announced it would introduce 30 new EVs by 2030. The concept here is likely to be the second electric Toyota following the BZ4X, a RAV4-sized SUV expected to hit Australian shores mid-next year. The BZ compact SUV potentially to be called the BZ2X, as BZ3 is already a Chinese market sedan adopts a lower, more coupe-like roofline akin to the brand's CHR small SUV. There are design touches linking the compact SUV concept to the BZ4X, including the wraparound front LED lighting signature, and familiar tail light design. Strong body lines run down the flanks, emphasizing the BZ compact SUV's muscular shape. "We've only just begun to scratch the surface of the Beyond Zero moniker," said Toyota Group Vice President and General Manager David Christ. If the BZ4X is a departure from Toyota's traditional cabin design language, then the BZ compact SUV goes a step further. There are almost no buttons to be seen, with a broad horizontal orientation infotainment touchscreen with a subtly curved bottom portion. The shifter is nestled below with soft storage cubbies either side. The BZ compact SUV also pushes forward with the controversial yoke steering wheel available on the BZ4X and Tesla products, but this time with a fourth side across the top. There's a digital driver's display curved at the bottom, and Toyota says there's a built-in assist called UI that can help with interior functionality. Materials in the BZ compact SUVs are sustainable made and sourced, with no leather in the cabin. Instead, the upholstery is made of plant-based or recycled materials. Further details about the BZ compact SUV are not confirmed, however it is likely to spawn a production version. In September, Toyota filed patent drawings in Australia suggesting a possible arrival here. Information on powertrains are not confirmed, but Toyota says the BZ compact SUV will be exhilarating and fun to drive, suggesting more grunt than the 160 kilowatts twin-motor BZ4X that gets to 100 km per hour in 8.4 seconds. Given it wears the BZ moniker and is one of 5 slated to do so, along with a teased sports car, it's likely a production version of the BZ compact SUV would ride on a version of the brand's bespoke ETNGA electric car platform. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more details. Thanks for watching.